Hi everyone, this is Stephanie at Hightower Stitching with today's reveal. I have 3 of the projects that are totally done and I'd like to share those with you. And if you need to go back to one of the other videos, one of the ways is to go through the YouTube address that they have for me, which is this first number right up in here with the 4340 on the end, and you'll find the list. Stay tuned. This crocheted Afghan came from video 209, and it's got 6x6 blocks, and it's really fun because it's got these great big popcorns, and you work 3 rows like that, and then you get into the straight row that makes the square shape, and then you can create your border. And on this one is the one that I use some single crochets, double crochets, and things like that. So that is the first one that I have for today out of 3. This is the second one. This was the Crocheted Afghan, but these were smaller blocks, and they were really, really nice. And as you look at this, it just keeps going and going. Well, by the time we got done, it had 180 flowers in it, and it was 72 by 54. There are pinks, blues, orchids, yellows, greens, and the green is the joining thread. And it's really fun, especially for a take-along. But you just do the center and the row of yellow, and then you start adding them to each other. So it's different than the other one. The other one, you make your squares and join those together. So I hope you enjoy this one. And you can mix the colors up. I wanted to do them just in rows, but you could mix your colors up any way you wanted those to be. And here's the third reveal. And this is that poppy pillow that I borrowed a block from another quilt, which I think I might go back and do that quilt because the block turned out so pretty. And on the back I did the envelope backing on it, and it's got a piece of Velcro to hold it, and then my pillow is inside, and it stuffs in really easily because one side goes down and this side comes up and covers that, and then put my label on there. So I've made what I think is a pretty nice gift out of that. The next thing I'm going to be where I've started on is a quilt that's hand stitched, and it has stars in it, and it's looking real interesting. Hope you'll come back and visit again. This is Stephanie at Hightower Stitching. If I have anything that I need to tell you about, I'll put it in the description. Thank you for watching.